The S24 series SIM trays have been leaked. Let's take a look at what information it holds. As we all know, the highly anticipated Galaxy S24 series from Samsung is poised for its grand unveiling scheduled in January 2024. While Galaxy fans eagerly await the official announcement, crucial insights regarding the event date, Galaxy AI features, comprehensive specifications across all Galaxy S24 models, and the spectrum of available color choices for the phones have surfaced across online platforms. Preceding the launch, details regarding select color variants of the flagship Galaxy S24 Ultra have been disclosed. These variants encompass titanium black, titanium gray, titanium yellow, and titanium violet. It's worth noting that the designation titanium doesn't merely signify the hue. The forthcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra will boast a titanium frame, hence the incorporation of titanium in the color names. The conventional Galaxy S24 and the Galaxy S24 Plus are anticipated to debut in a palette comprising onyx black, marble gray, amber yellow, and cobalt violet shades. Yet, reports circulating within the retail sphere suggest a prospect of 3 additional hues for the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus models. Renowned industry insider Roland Quant uploaded SIM trays of the S24 series models on his X account formerly known as Twitter. The leaker speculates that these new variants might manifest in orange, purple, and white tones. However, there remains a distinct possibility that these colors might adopt different official names upon release. The unveiling of the new color variants came to light through the imagery of the SIM trays belonging to the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. These visuals not only showcase the frame colors, but also provide a glimpse into the potential palette for the standard editions of the Galaxy S24. It's worth noting that these hues might be exclusive offerings, potentially available solely through Samsung's official website. The introduction of these colors appears to be interesting. Anyway, we're excited about these developments. Share your thoughts on these fresh colors in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.